here. And so this says that this breaks apart to 5 feet long. Looking at it, it's very sturdy. And you can kind of twist it around. Compact, it's like the size of my hand. Fit for your keys. The hook seems very sturdy and strong. It's a nice metal. And I noticed that to break it apart, now I'm not going to because I don't need it right now and I have no idea how to put it back. There's this little glue part right here. So you just break that apart, or you can even take off the key ring, and then it looks like it comes apart through there. So it seems nice. I'm just giving it to my husband for his keys because he always posts his keys to his pants. And there you go.